Good day, Doctor. I hope you're well. This is my presentation. I'm going to present my research project analysis and design. My topic is an intelligent app for crime prediction in Bloemfontein. Now, reason for this project is that through my survey that I've conducted with the Bloemfontein residents, it has shown that most respondents or participants have witnessed or have been victims of crimes in the last 12 months. That is the 62% rate of people who have witnessed or have been victims of crime. Now, for this project, the project goal is basically is to assist law enforcement, urban planners, as well as the public with proactive decision making to reduce crime and improve safety in Bloemfontein. Now, the purpose basically is to develop a mobile application to predict and prevent future crimes occurrences happening in Bloemfontein. Now, the objectives are basically I'm going to build or develop a user-friendly mobile application for the citizens and law enforcement. For the citizens, basically is to enable real-time alerts and community reporting features that would allow the citizens and users to add or to report crimes as they occur, and for law enforcement to get those alerts so that they can respond to those incidences. This will basically improve safety and quality of life through data-driven insights. Thirdly, data sources, basically where we get the data from for this project. For data project sources, we identify the data sources. Firstly, we get our data from the SAPS. This data include historical crime records that will be categorized by date, type, and location where the crime has previously occurred. We also get data from municipal and government database. These records will be from Mangaung Metropolitan Municipality and Statistics South Africa. This will include socio-economic and demographic data. We also get data from the community. These are real-time data collected from the users of the app who will be reporting local criminal activities, as the survey has shown previously when I conducted the survey. And then system design. For system design, for our system design, we'll have the project phases when I will be designing the application. Firstly, the initiation and planning phase. Then define the scope, objectives, and the stakeholders. Deliverables. This is the project plan and the timeline of the project. The second phase its requirements gathering analysis phase. This one need to understand users' needs and system requirements. By understanding the user's needs, that survey that I've conducted have come into handy, and it has shown that most citizens or locals in Bloemfontein will use the app. They want to use the app to now report these criminal cases. And then for deliverables, we have use case scenarios and user stories as shown in the research. We have a use case where we have our actor as citizen or users. We have another actor as law enforcement office, and then we have another actor as an admin. Now the user will be able to register and log in to the app. The user will be able to report a crime as it occurs. This means this part, he or she can also be able to upload photos or videos of the crime scene and the location. And the user will be able to view crime predictions. This is where to show the user the hotspots and areas to avoid, and areas certain times to avoid walking on the streets, as it will show that it is predicted that, for example, you can't be in small street, King Edward Street, around 12 midnight to 6 a.m. because it will be labeled as a hotspot. Now a user also will be able to receive alerts that states the same thing, that any criminal offense or a criminal activity has just happened, maybe say in downtown. The user would be notified along with the law enforcement, which is the police. They would now be able to generate patrols, routes, to respond to those incidences as they happen or as they've been reported by the user. And now for the admin part of the system, the admin, which should be me in this case, I'll manage the users to make sure that there is no data duplicacy, to make sure that the app is being used for the right purposes, and unauthorized or unwanted users can be kicked out of the system. And also monitor the system health by updating the system whenever there is any update that needs to be happening, or any features that needs to be added as the project continues to grow. As I've stated, the data, the project phases. And now, in conclusion, Doc, this study shows that developing a crime prediction application for Bloemfontein is valuable. By detecting hotspot areas and sending prediction notifications, the app will improve quality of life for the residents of Bloemfontein. This conclusion comes from the survey that I've conducted for the residents of Bloemfontein, and it has been showing that the participants are people. The most participants or respondents that I got from this survey are those who fall within 25 to 34 age group. And then for the suburbs or towns, it is shown that the 37% are from the list that I've provided with a drop down. I couldn't provide all the areas in Bloemfontein, but I gave the user an option to add where in Bloemfontein do they reside, and that's where that 37% comes from during the survey. And it means that, and it is shown that when I asked the question, how long have you been living in Bloemfontein? Most people were born there, meaning this study or this application will then be good for the residents, because most respondents are people who basically live there. They are not there for a period of time, they are not there to study and live, but this application will be suitable for them in the long run, since the respondent says shows the majority of people that the respondent live in Bloemfontein. Yes, with this now states that have you witnessed or been a victim of crime in the last 12 months, that's the one that raises concern and shows the need for this application to be developed. Thank you.